Second ranked match of the night. Oh no! We're doing it on Omega, and I forgot to, son of a... Blackwing. God dang it. 35, right? I think it's 30, shit, which one is it now? 35, so it's 36. 36. Copy. Save. Alt enter. Control V. Paste or enter. What? Okay. Yo! Voice chat! Let's do the intro here. I don't have a mic, sorry. Okay. Well, we're doing it on Omega. Back with another ranked match. Win or lose, I post. If you're new and like to see more videos, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you all for subscribing. If you want to duel me, be in a video, or want to see the deck list, see the description for more information. Enjoy the rest of the video. Let's link into the rings. Round 1. Duel. What the heck is this? Sure. Well, he doesn't have a mic, so turn that off. Unaffected by what? It's what'd you count there after that? Turn. Take control of it. Sheesh. Not Blackwing full armor master. God dang it. Unaffected by it. Yeah, I can't even activate this card. It's unaffected by other card effects. Oh no. Oh my god. So he's not going to be affected. So Boral Sword doesn't get his effect? I don't know. Cyber emergency. Zeta. I don't know, I'm gonna get over this guy. Alpha Zeta. Oh. Ash. Off the Ash I got orange. Oh, there we go, yeah. Gonna have to. Orange light, negate. Going through. Now I can still get Nibiru though. I don't have a fairy to. Zeta Benton. Add, yeah. Oh, I can get over him by Draconids. Benton. Add to your hand, Diviner. No beta. Beta effect. Gamma. Diviner effect. Sent to the graveyard. Arclight. Arclight. Grave effect. See, instead of going for this guy, it would have to be this guy. It would have to be Drytron. So I can get over him. I do this guy. It's really... I don't think I can do it. Draconids, I guess. God dang. Don't have another one there. Medionus Drytron. Oh, I didn't put a rarity on Draconids. God dang it. Kishki Shogun. Medionus, Drytron Medionus Draconids. Might as well go like this. Decrease, add from grave, and like this. That. Alpha. I could go for a Beatrice here, actually. Yeah. We'll go like that. Actually, go for the I to 10. This. I to 10. Get that. What does this guy do again? No, his attack would be low. That's okay. We'll go for Beatrice. These two. Shit, I think I could have went for Boral Sword. God damn it. Eva. Eva's effect. Banish and banish. Screw it, I'll go like this. Birthday. Oh shit. Okay, birthday. Copy. Badass fusion. Come on. Don't time me out here. It's raining right now, so maybe the Wi-Fi. Yugioh Shogun. Ah, super volley, son of a. Starting Venom, bruh. Why didn't he, two darks? Oh, both darks battle. Drake needs attack. Blackwing, full armor master. Come on. Yes. Destroy this guy. Oh, wait a minute. Yeah, I could just, oh yeah, I could just go like this. Attack. Attack for Venom, Venom's effect. And then I'm on the orange white. Boom. Negate. Negate. There's two. Set the end perm. And Fernando. Woo! Ooh. I think I will wait to use Drake on its effect. Ooh, let's do this. I don't know, I think this is okay. No side. Round two. Oh no. Duel. Three brick. Two dark magician and red eyes. Damn. No, I'm just gonna go for it. I don't have the pieces here. Yeah. Here we go. Red Eyes Fusion. Oh yeah, I have orange light, so if he tries to ash that, I can. Oh, resolving. Yugioh Shogun. Red Eyes Dark Dragoon. Battle. Dragoon, direct attack. Whew. Okay, do I set? Not set. Not setting. Just ending. What the heck is this? Tough. Oh, I could just do alpha. Like, keep the Ben 10, yeah. No! Summon limit. Dang it. More than 2. I'm gonna keep this for this guy, so I can revive him again. Let's go. I just didn't want to put up a fight. Let's duel wins. Flawless victory. Perfect. Let's see where we're at. $13.85, $14.05, $176, $178. Went up by 1. Comment, share, like if subbed it, selected. See you guys.